Hey, what's up? It's Chris. I was messing around with the guitar earlier, and I came across these two songs and figured out that they kind of had the same chord progression. So I figured I'd mash them together and see how it came out. So here goes nothing.
Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Three little birds beside my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. When you grab a hold of me, tell me that I'll never be set free. I'm there beside, creep and crawl, I'll step into the night to find some food. Tell me, are you a bad fish too? Are you a bad fish too? Ain't got no money to spend. Hope the night will never end. Lord knows I'm weak. Won't somebody get me out of this grief? Maybe you're a big blue whale. Grab the reef when all the diving fails. I swim, but I wish I'd never learned. Water's too polluted now with germs. I dive deep when it's 10 feet overhead. Grab the reef, it's underneath my bed. It's underneath my bed. Ain't got no quarrels with God. Ain't got no time to get old. Lord knows how we